This is our biosphere. Over the last 3 weeks, we have been observing changes occurring within the biosphere without interfering. Originally, the non-living things we put into our biosphere were pebbles and rocks from the river and tap water. The living things we put into our biosphere were 3 ghost shrimp and a plant. We bought both of those things at a pet store, including the pebbles. Looking at our biosphere at the end of the experiment, we can report that our shrimp have died after only being in the biosphere for 3 days. The plant is still alive and there isn't a lot of decay at the bottom of the tank. There is an 82% oxygen level in our biosphere right now. We thought our plant was going to be completely dead by the end of this experiment, but it has surprised us and has actually grown throughout the course of the experiment. The water level has decreased slightly. We guessed the shrimp were probably not going to survive, but we didn't think it would happen after only 3 days. We think that the type of water we used in our biosphere was an important factor in the biosphere's viability. We had originally planned to use water obtained from the Susquehanna River, but then decided to use tap water instead. We also had soil at the bottom of our biosphere, but thought it would be detrimental to the shrimp's growth and survival within the biosphere. Looking at other people's biospheres, with similar living things that ended up surviving, we have come to a conclusion that using the river water or purified water would have kept our shrimp alive either the entire time or at least longer than it did. We also think keeping some soil at the bottom of our biosphere would have helped too.